Need to cancel your ClickFunnels subscription? Don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Here's how to do it step by step. First, log into your ClickFunnels account via clickfunnels.com. Navigate to Account Settings, then find the Billing section. From there, click on Subscription and then Cancel. You'll be prompted to select a reason for canceling. Choose the option that best fits your situation, such as too expensive or switching platforms. Finally, confirm your cancellation. Unlike some platforms, ClickFunnels doesn't require you to make a phone call to cancel. Keep in mind that canceling stops future billing, but you'll still be charged for the remainder of your current billing cycle. Refunds for annual plans are typically issued within 3 to 5 business days. Canceling doesn't mean losing your valuable data. ClickFunnels allows you to retain access to your account and data for 30 days after your billing cycle ends. During this grace period, it's crucial to export any funnels, email lists, and analytics you want to keep. Use the platform's export tools to download your data in CSV or PDF formats. ClickFunnels complies with data portability regulations like GDPR and CCPA, ensuring you can take your data with you. After the 30-day window, your account will be deactivated and you risk losing any data you haven't exported. So don't delay. If you encounter any issues during the cancellation or data export process, ClickFunnels support is available via live chat or email, with response times typically under 24 hours.